Hello guys, today I'm very excited because I received my new head massager and I have this box here. I think that I'm going really to love it. In the box it says it's refreshing, that it has 10 messages, head arrived, and well, it says that it's a polymer lithium battery and it weighs 218 grams. It's like this, and I'm seeing in the back that you have, well, you can choose like the black color or the white color. So I'm going to open the box and I'm very excited to try it. Okay, now I'm going to take this, and it's just this thing, and I can see here the user manual and the cable. So let's see what it says. Okay, it just says like the product diagram. Here it is. It says that it's a messages point, the power mode, it's in the top, the charging port, it's down, the USB charging cable. What's in the box, it says that it's the head massager, the USB charging, and the user manual. So it's perfect. So let me see if it's like some safety precautions. Yes, but okay, let's try it. Okay guys, I have here the product. I'm going to open it, and it's like this. Okay, whoa, it's like this. Okay, so here it's the charging port. It has this like silicone spaces, and here's the power mode. Okay, so I'm going to press here. Okay, and then okay, it's already moving. You can see they're already moving. So I'm going to put it in the head. Whoa, okay, okay, wow, it feels really good. Okay, now I think you can move like the, here in the manual it says, okay, it's like first in this one, then in this one, then you know, like it goes one by one giving you message, and if you press here it change to another type of messages. Okay, it's like the same. It's really, wow, okay, I'm really loving it. Okay, that's like slowly, yeah, like I'm telling you, it's like first this side, then this, you know, it's like one by one the messages points. Yeah, these ones are the messages points. So I don't know how many messages points has, but it's really perfect. Wow, okay, I really love it. And then to turn it off, I think you just need to leave it there, and that's it. Really, I love it. It's the perfect thing for messaging the head.